Hello lovely people, I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna make some pickled eggs. I have here a dozen eggs, and the rest of my ingredients will be sweet peppers, carrots, onion, pimento or allspice, salt, curry powder, vinegar, and some jerk seasoning. Stay tuned. Okay, so here I have my eggs in this pot. I'm gonna bring them to a boil and then I'm gonna prepare them to be pickled. Okay guys, so the eggs have come to a boil. I'm gonna turn off the heat and let it rest. All right, so the eggs have been resting for 15 minutes, and I'm now going to transfer them to a cold water bath. That will make it easier for me to peel them. Just putting them in this cold water bath. And they're going to stay in this bath for about 10 minutes. I'll be back when that's done. Okay, so my eggs were in the cold water bath for about 10 minutes and I've started peeling them. Okay guys, so I've finished peeling my eggs and I'm going to prepare my brine to pickle the eggs in. Okay, to make my brine, in this pot I'll be adding 2 cups of vinegar, and a cup of water. I'm gonna bring that to a boil. Okay, my vinegar solution is now boiling. So I'm going to add some other ingredients. I have here a tablespoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of salt, stir it around, and my magic ingredient, jerk seasoning. I'm gonna put a heaping tablespoon of that jerk seasoning in there. This is gonna be good, flavorful. Okay, now that my brine is made, I'm gonna put some of it into this mason jar that I sterilized before. And then I'm gonna start layering my ingredients. So I have here my pimento. I'm gonna put some pimento at the bottom of the jar. Now put some onions. Some sweet peppers. And some carrots. some of the eggs. I'll put some more pimentos, onions, sweet peppers and carrots, and the eggs. Just push them down in there. Some more pimentos. Sweet peppers and carrots, just to top it off. And onions. Okay, now that I've stuffed my eggs in this jar, I'm going to put the rest of brine in there. I'm going to do another jar of eggs. So this is my end product. The one in the mesa jar, I'm gonna put in the fridge for about 2 weeks. That's the ideal time. But this one, I'll eat before that, just because I can't wait. So this is my pickled egg. It'll be in the fridge for 2 weeks. Thank you for watching, and if you decide to try this version of my pickled eggs, leave a comment down below. Enjoy! Bye now.